Hi, welcome to the NetSuite training video. For today, I'm going to show you how to create an expense claim record in NetSuite. From now on, you may file your expense claims in NetSuite through either of the following. One is through the mobile app, and the other is through your computer on the internet browser. Approval will be done electronically within the system. Notification as well will be sent via email to your approver, to HR, and to finance. You can also scan or attach a photo of the receipt, so there's no need for you to submit paper forms or paper documentations. Creating an expense claim record in NetSuite, all you need to do is go to StarLink, HR, expense claims, new, and then your employee details are pre-populated, but you will be required to enter a report title. Later, I will show you the naming convention on the report titles. You may also attach a file for supporting documentation in line for the expenses within NetSuite. So all you need to do is upload the file or the image of the receipt or the bill in NetSuite. So you don't have to submit the actual forms or the actual documents. Now we'll proceed with the demo. To enter an expense claim form, so again, all you need to do is go to StarLink, HR, expense claims, new. Then you will need to populate the report name. So it is up to you how or what the report title should be. So for mobile expenses, you can put in mobile allowance and then the month, November 2015. If it's an expense claim against a travel, then all you need to do is put in the country of travel, the start and the end date of your travel. In this example, I will put in KSA and then the start date from, let's say, November 1st, 2015 to November 3rd. Next is proceed to the expenses tab of the record. So you will only need to populate the memo, currency, amount, transaction currency, category, country of expense, receipt date, receipt reference number, and if applicable, you can attach a file. So for this, let's put in taxi fare to client. Next is select the currency. This is the currency you used or the transaction currency. So I will put in SAR and let's say my fare was 15 reals. The next would be the category. This is a list of expense categories, so you can put in transportation in this example. And very important, I would want you to take note of the country of expense. So by default, this is UAE because I'm a Dubai employee. But to travel to the KSA, then I will need to change this to KSA. And then receipt reference number. If you're submitting a mobile bill, then put in the bill number. Then to attach a file, all you need to do is click on the plus sign and then select the file that you want to attach to this. So this is the scanned copy of the transaction. So let's just say for this I will just select a random file and put it under the expenses folder. Click save, click add, and then save again. You will notice that it is now pending approval. Approval status is pending manager approval. So an email will be sent to your manager saying that he has an expense claim to be approved in NetSuite. So now we'll proceed with approving the expense claim forms. So there are two ways to approve the expense claim forms. One is through the view record link in the notification email. The other is through the expense claims pending manager approval reminder. I will show you how to approve the expense claims through the reminder. To add the reminder, all you need to do is go to your dashboard and reminders portlet and add the custom reminder expense claims pending manager approval. Now we'll proceed with the demo. So now I'm logged in as the approver of Ryan Igliancia. So I'm the test employee StarLink. And here under the reminders portlet in my dashboard, it shows that I have one expense claim pending approval. Now, if you don't have this yet, all you need to do is go to Setup, click on Setup. Okay, let me remove this for this purpose. And then click on Add Custom Reminders. And then type in expense claims. From the list of reminders, just select the expense claims pending manager approval. Then click Done, and then click Save. So the portlet will refresh and it will now show that I have one expense claim pending manager approval. So all you need to do is click on that reminder and it will show me the list. Since I only have one, then remember this is the one I created earlier. It's for the KSA trip. So just click on View. Then as the approver, I can either approve or reject the expense claim. Click on Approve and it will now be routed to HR for approval. Now, I would like you to take note that the expense claims will undergo 4 levels of approvals. One would be to your line manager, next is to HR, and then to finance, and then finally to accounting. So once all 4 levels have been approved, you will also get a notification that it's been approved. That's it for me for entering expense claims through the NetSuite user interface. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at ryan.n@starlinkme.net. Thank you.